Concerning the situation in our Muslim countries, we do celebrate the New Year's Eve like the Christian world. But this year there is a little dilemma there. We also do celebrate the first day of Ramadan. But this year
In what way we celebrate?
People celebrate to have their own preparation. Either they get ready by having special baths and special foods. And
in the Muslim world?
Yes.
Now that's news to me.
In our countries at least. Yeah.
In different Muslim countries,
Yes.
they do celebrate in a manner which is not Islamic. Which has nothing to do with Islam.
Yes.
And they celebrate the New Year in a manner which does not omen well for them, because they take interest in wasteful things, and they do not propose anything for the betterment of the world of Islam. In Ahmediyya, we celebrate it completely differently. We get up after the midnight, get up till late midnight, and begin our New Year always with nawafil and prayers for the whole world of Islam and for the entire world, the rest of Islam as well, so that God shows mercy on the mankind as such, and particularly on the Muslims. So this is how we celebrate. And in this I do not see any objection, because the year, although the Islamic year begins later, but this year also has become established in the entire world. We count years by the so-called date of birth or the date of death of Jesus Christ. So that being so, there is no harm in celebrating this year with prayer. While the whole world is dancing and drinking the night into nothingness, into wild craze, no more than that. We do it meaningfully, and I don't see any objection against that, please.